So here is our circuit board in Tinkercad. We followed the the sensors that we were supposed to right here. So whenever we have what we did, we have two switches. The ones, instead of using the deep switch, we use this light switch. So what happens here, I'm gonna start the simulation. Here both of them are turned off. As indicated here, when they are turned off, nothing should happen on the left. And when I turn the first one, which is this one, on, it turns green. As we can see, first one active, second inactive, green. Then if I turn the second one on, it turns blue, as it's supposed to, right here. Both of them activated, it's blue. And if I turn the first one off, it turns the red color, which is what it's supposed to do. And so yeah, that's the way it works. We use these three inputs and outputs, and these two as inputs, and we connected it to ground and through to the 5 volts of the Arduino, and that's pretty much it.